In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the fill option in Excel. We're going to walk through a very simple example so you can clearly see how the fill option works and how to use it confidently in your own spreadsheet. This is one of those small Excel features that can save a lot of time, especially when you need to repeat data across multiple cells. To get started, go to Excel and open a worksheet. It can be a new blank workbook or any sheet you want to practice in. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use an empty area of the sheet so it's easy to follow along. Once you're in Excel, click on cell A1 and type the word apple. This gives us a starting value to work with. After typing it in, make sure the word appears in cell A1, exactly where you entered it. Next, click on cell A1 to select it. When the cell is selected, Excel highlights it with a border. This is important because the fill option works from the active cell or selected range, so you always want to confirm that the correct cell is selected before dragging anything. Now we're going to use the fill handle. This is the small square that appears in the bottom right corner of a selected cell. Move your mouse carefully to the bottom right corner of cell A1 until your pointer changes into a small plus sign. That plus sign tells you that Excel is ready to fill or copy the contents of the selected cell. Once you see the plus sign, click and drag downward until you reach cell A4. As you drag, Excel will extend the selection through the cells below. When you release the mouse, the content from A1 will be copied into the cells down to A4. At this point, you should see Apple repeated in A1, A2, A3, and A4. This is a quick and easy way to copy the same value into multiple cells without retyping it over and over. A helpful tip is to drag carefully and watch the cell reference area as you move, so you stop exactly where you want the fill to end. If you accidentally drag too far, you can simply undo and try again. This same method is useful for repeating text, formulas, and many other types of entries in Excel. That's all it takes to use the fill option in this basic example. Once you get comfortable with the fill handle, you'll find that it becomes one of the fastest tools for working in spreadsheets. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.